Hello Jotano, welcome back to my channel again. Well, tini hingke ang ani Shillong last year ani friends ro bai bai mani experience no share khainai. Chung Tripura ni swimming journey start khaimani hamsafar train by so sara din nangka hani ne adina horo sung Guwahati no tongoi ne next dino hingke Shillong ni bagi Nohkalikai. Shillong shogai mani yagulo sung check-in ro khaibai ne Cherrapunji perena bagi Nohkalikai. Adino chung cover khaika Cherrapunji thangmani viewpoints rock Nohkalikai Falls, Cherrapunji ni Seven Sister Falls, Mawsmai cave. As because afro ani kuno vlog khaine ni plan rock kare hain bagai angasa videos rock photos rock nai ne capture khaiman liya. Next day sung Nohkalikai Phe Phe Falls nai ne ni te Krang Suri Waterfalls nai ne ni. Waterfall ke ang asa ke hamzago mane tamo sanai Shillong is anyhow one of my favorite place. Tabuk bayang 3 bar sak thangka but ang always no thanamo chungo sob somoy no Shillong no ang miss khaimang tongo because ajaga ni waterfalls rok ajaga ang swim khaino rok belai kano hamzago. Krang Suri Falls je hai blue color water, crystal clear water. Omo haino Phe Phe Falls po crystal clear water but omo hungke kisha unique, that is green color. O naithok jinis no naina bagai onek trekking ma khayo omorok to norok kaham ke no saino manu erpore sung kosto ke trekking thangai khailai phaika amoni yagulo sung thangpio ka Krang Suri Waterfalls omoto ani favorite waterfall ang agio bo ojago phaijak but last time swim khaiji ga hane ne this time angke angai opportunity miss khailia angkhore no paleka ani friend by me sung swim khaina bagai
sala ami swimming pari na আমি সুইমিং পারি না আমি এনজয় আর করতেলাম না ওই তো তোমরা লোক আরেকজন জয়েন এসে পিছে ওয়াও ওই ফ্লোটিং দেখো আমার তোমরা দেখা শালা ফিল হইতাছে গয়া এখানে দৌড়ো নাই দিবি জানি আরে শিখাইতেছ আমারে নাই শিখাইয়া জানি শিখাইতেছ আমারে নাই শিখাইয়া কি জানি শিখাইতেছ আমারে নাই শিখাইয়া আরে জানি
Ora enjoy khaine no sini sari kangai ne sangdai sha Shillong firogi thangpika and then Shillong ni swimming Guwahati o horo no firogi thangka. Third day chini firokna dino phungai tro basoi tui tu koine Kamakhya Temple thangka because adino ani din ge mutai rok ano ringo ba ang thangya to tongi meya Kamakhya Temple blessings rok nama pore sung Umananda Temple naina thangka ajago thangine bo chigun mondir tongo hungke ajago angisha blessings rok nakha mombati dukkati shogaine adino no ani first time visit Umananda Temple by Kamakhya Temple ang belai no excited bo ar belai no khushi bongo tanga himale temple thangke bakha se sarangai phayo asik hectic life ni modhe kisha matai rongno visit khai kanke bakha shanti mama hayengo because angle matai rongno belai ke believe khayo borok kare ke angkare buini kok saimia but angle tabusu jorate je matai rongno sanmani amono mankha ani ekdom kahamni jorao tai ekdom hamyani jorao bo matai rongni blessings by matai rongni protection by no ang asik kaham karang ke taksu jorate tongai manu chini matai rok chungno kaham karang ke tongthung te kaham lama phunok thung hakino sung visit khaibai ka a jaga airport sung cable car kisha enjoy khaine ka Umananda Temple sakate suk senai tho kenung chak amo nai bai ne sung desha firok layo ka because adilo sini train tongo sung return khaina nango Tripura hakino pai kha chini 3 din ni short trip videos rok chajagi tongke please don't forget to like share and subscribe thank you all bye bye